Overlay data in OS Digimap. Our overlay tools allow you to add extra data to your map. Within the Ordnance Survey collection, users can, for example, display points of interest which include business, leisure, and educational locations. Just tick the box to include the data in your map. To display accommodation and attractions, for example, simply uncheck the All option and check the relevant boxes. You can utilize the Feature Information tool for additional details. Use the tool and select your point of interest to review the Feature Information box. Note that points of interest are only visible in specific map views. Zooming out to a city view makes them unavailable due to potential clutter. You can overlay contours and spot heights. Open the selection box to choose the layers you want to display. Tick the postcode box to add postcode data overlays. And note how the details increase as you zoom in, such as when you zoom into Lancaster. Hue shading overlays are available in less detailed map views, adding terrain details as they are most effective at smaller scales. Each overlay comes with a transparency slider, offering better display control. You can layer multiple overlays on your map if needed. In a street map view, for example, you can see points of interest, contours, and postcodes. If you prefer a simpler map background, switch base maps or remove specific map features in the map content area to declutter your map.